Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to easily import reviews from Aliexpress to Shopify, judge.me tutorial. So let's get started. So here we are in shopify.com and we're currently logged in our account. So from here, what we're gonna do first is that we're gonna go to the search bar and type in judge right here, and then from here you can already see the application right here. But if in any case that you don't see it right here, then you can just press the enter button on your keyboard or click on judge in Shopify App Store. And from here, what we're gonna do is just select this one right here. All right, so now let's click on this app right here, and from here we're gonna click on install. And now let's wait for it to load, and then right here we need to click on the install button again right here. Click on that so that it would now be installed into our store, and then from here we will now be redirected right here wherein we can import the reviews. So let's just wait for this one to load right here, and here it is. So from here we're gonna click on next, and we're gonna click on start importing now. And from here we can now import reviews from AliExpress by clicking this button. So click on that, and now we would need to provide the URL of our AliExpress product and your product in your Shopify store in which you would want to import the AliExpress review. So let's go into aliexpress.com first right here, and let's just select a product right here. So let's say my product is a t-shirt. So I'm gonna search for t-shirt right here. And from here, let's see which one we would like. Let's say I want maybe this one right here. So I'm gonna click on this one right here. And from here, what we're gonna do is that we would want to click here on the feedback just so that we can confirm that this product has feedbacks right here. But because of course, if it doesn't have feedbacks or reviews, then there is nothing for us to import. So as you can see, these are good reviews right here, so it's all good. So now let's go and copy the link right here. So let's just wait for it to load right there. Copy the link, right click and copy, and go back here and paste this right here. And now for this one, for the Shopify product, you can go into your product section right here and see whatever products you have. So for example, it's this example t-shirt that I'm going to use. So I'm gonna go back right here and I'm gonna type in example, and it should show up right here. Right here, as you can see, it says example t-shirt. So I'm gonna select that, and then you can put in the number of reviews you wanna import right here. So let's say I wanna go for maybe just 10. And the country filters, if needed, then I can just go with everything right here because there is nothing I want to filter. And the content filters right here. So reviews must have content, must have pictures, depending on what you like or want, and the minimum amount of words right here, depending on what you want. Also, you can just set it up right here, and you can even translate it into whatever language you want right here. And from here, you can also save the settings as new default import settings in case that you don't want to do this all over again. So you can just click here. And after that, you can also email to your email when import is completed. You can also see it right here and so on. So now, once you are done with everything, now you can click here on import review. So click on that. And now it is now in progress, and this might take a while if there are any main reviews. So please refresh the dashboard after 1 to 2 minutes if they don't show up instantly. And now you can also make multiple product import on homepage now. So click here on homepage, go to homepage, and right here, as you can see right here, import history. Less than a minute ago, you started the process of importing reviews from AliExpress to this product right here. And now once it's finished importing, you should be seeing something like this. You have imported reviews from AliExpress already. So the next step for this one would be to enable the app embed. But to do that is we need to get this one right here. So click here on get judge.p now. So this is basically the other app that we saw earlier right here. So this would be the product review. So we need to install this one. So click on install right here and click here on install again. And now from here, what we're gonna do is we will be redirected right here. So from here, we need to start the setup. So click here on start setup, and enable app embed, and then we will be prompted here into our online store editing. So from here, we want to go and make sure that this one is enabled right here. So you want to click here on app embeds and make sure that the judge.me is enabled. And after that, you want to go back here and click on continue. And then from here, as you can see, you can try again and go here. And from here, click on save. By the way, I forgot. I'm sorry. So there, it's now saved. And now you can click here on continue. So let me just go click this. And then I'm going to go back, click continue. And now you can install the review widget right here. So you can click here on install review widget. And now the next thing is this one right here. So install. And now we have the review widget right here. So from here, it is now automatically imported here into our website. And we now have the reviews right here. As you can see, we now have successfully imported them in just those easy steps. So the next step would be to click on continue. Step, we forgot to save again. Click here on save. Right there, and then we're gonna click on continue, and now you can install the star rating badge right here. So we're gonna click on install star rating, and now it's gonna load again, and let's just wait for it right there. So now we have the star ratings right here. So as you can see right here, click on the button below to open a new window. Check if the star rating box is present, and then you can click on save once you are done. So from here, you now have the star ratings review right here. So that is basically how you can import reviews from AliExpress to Shopify using the judge.me application. So that is basically it. Thank you for watching.